Hello. First arrived at the haunted house at 9 o'clock. Later I could see the room, the kitchen and the living room. There was a TV in the room, and there were broken furniture. Next there were a lot of debris in the kitchen. That I did not see any ghosts, but listened very strange noise. There was a piano in the living room, and I felt a bad energy from that piano. I felt very scared to be in that house. Next I asked if anyone was there and listened oh yes. I tried to scream but I could not after 2 hours. I called my mom to pick me up. Finally, I hope not to repeat that experience. Thanks.